Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be installing a screen protector on a iPhone XS. So it's just, here's the phone box, of course. Let's take it out. This is in gold, which is quite nice. So here we are, here's the phone. And the screen protector I'm using today is one of my favorites. It's called Cap. So this one here, I will actually share this with you properly this time, because last time I will put in a link now as well, because I know last time I did it, a lot of people asking where did you get it from, how much was it, and you know, usual stuff. So and I have put in some you know, music in a few of my videos, and I think somebody said, why did you put music on? But you know, I thought it's pretty boring if sometimes if you're just looking at a person doing something and there's nothing playing in the background. So clearly it wasn't too up for everyone's taste. What can you say? Can't please everybody. So yeah, here we go. Let's put the screen protector on and see if we can do this. The same video I will also see if I can put in a let's put that away. Screen protector on. It's quite important that we have these screen protectors on to prevent the phones from getting damaged. And these do really help, because I have seen a few. Oh well, I've used these before, so I'm not going to start using the alcohol wipes and all that stuff. So I think that the part I did like it on this particular casing is that it comes with a nice one of those, you know, frame. So your actually template is actually here already, so you don't have to sort of think that, oh, is it going to be aligned correctly or not, like in the iPad, you know. So this is the screen protector. Let's give it a go. So let's take it off. There we go. Just take that off and let the screen protector do its job. With air bubbles, you have to be sometimes a little bit patient to make sure that they are coming out. Sometimes they can get trapped, and even no template would stop the air bubbles from going in, and you know, as long as it's put on correctly, give it some time. Sometimes it's a bit like don't know if you know this, when you have your what's it called, the glass tinted in your car. If somebody comes around and tints it, they kind of say the same thing, that the air bubbles do take time for them to evaporate. You know, sometimes they use a heat gun and all sorts. And if you have a dust particle, then that's another story. But I think it could be successfully installing this today, and if we don't, we can always replace it with another one. So far I feel that we can actually do this. Just takes a little bit of time getting the air bubbles out, because it can be quite stubborn sometimes because of the two surfaces that are getting stuck together, and there's no guarantee that both surfaces will be identically clean, and the surface would be straight, because it can be a slight. So yeah, so far I think so it's a good job here. I'm quite pleased with that. Here we are. So another job well done. Might actually do the wrap at the same time while I've got the vid camera running. So let me see if we can wrap this up in black carbon fibre. So that would be quite interesting. Let's do this. It's a gorgeous phone, and the only time you realize what you've done is good is when, if you are into sort of, you know, recycling or reselling it, should I say, rather than, it's the same thing, that you want to resell it and you want to upgrade to a new model, then your phone, the second person who's going to use it would be very happy, because he'd be willing to give you a better price for your phone as well, because you've kept it in good condition. So here's the vinyl wrap. Just going to drop it down. Let's see if we can do this in one go once again. Let's see. It can be a bit tricky. I want to get the Apple right. If we get the Apple logo correct, I think rest of the and the camera at the same time. It can be quite tricky, but the adhesive kind of attracts the you need to have a lot of patience in this matter as well. If you don't have patience, you might not be able to get the good result that you're looking for. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Hopefully that should now. Oops, let's do that. That should be okay. You can always try your best, that's all you can do though, isn't it? And then leave the rest to the because if it's not aligning correctly, then obviously there's something not right here, so I have to make sure that I want it right. Yeah, the edges. It's one of those things you have to make sure that it gets perfectly done top to bottom. Yeah, not too keen on the this particular wrap that I've bought, because they haven't put in the holes into this, so when I actually see it you have to start peeling these bits off, which I'm not liking. So you should actually leave the cutouts without the bits I'm peeling out. Did buy one last time that was, you know, like this, already pre-cut, should I say. once again, please do subscribe to my channel. There is a subscribe button on the side. I haven't done a great deal of work on the on editing and stuff, but what I would do is I'm going to use a hairdryer in a minute and make sure that the vinyl is correctly wrapped around. Not sure if I would want these edges wrapped around, to be honest. I don't know. I feel that I could do it in the edges not being wrapped around personally, because I like the gold shining from the other ends. I might actually cut them off. So yeah, I'm not too keen on this. Not liking the wrapping on the side business. Let's see if I need to I can cut them off completely. I've got a well, just a minute. Let me just quickly do that and I'll continue. So as I was saying, I don't like the edges, so I'm going to just sort of cut these off and see if I can get a better result. Not like that. I'm going to cut that off. The edges don't seem to go in quite well. Let me cut that off. Goes on well. That one. I'm not too keen on having the edges on. So that's nice. Shining gold corners. Thing is, the cover is already going to go on it. The whole idea is to protect the glass at the back. I'm going to go back to my good old hairdryer again that I just got. What the hairdryer does is just makes the vinyl a bit more flexible and the adhesive to stick on properly. You don't need to like burn it, just kind of gives it a bit more of a easy way to. I think it looks quite nice personally. It's, end of the day, all covers and wraps and everything is all down to personal taste anyway, so you can't say you know, why you have it and I don't like it. Some people like, you know, carbon fibre, some don't. It just depends on the person's taste, I would like to think. So let's just double check what's going on with these screen protectors. But anyway, this is how it looks. I think it looks quite nice, and that's the result. Put it on there. That's all. I did like the gold coming out, like the four corners like that, like a little frame. So yeah. Well, I hope you liked the video. Once again, the screen protector I'm using is by Benza Cap. It's here. I'll leave it at the. That's okay. Yeah, and comes with two glass screen protectors, so one you can use one as a backup. It's definitely one of the good ones. And I do find the support is quite good, but with a screen protector, what kind of support do you want? Either goes on or it doesn't. So, but if you're watching this, please do hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to make more videos in the coming weeks, months, years, and I'll make videos more interesting. I know I always keep my comment box open, so people are willing to comment and you know, and share their experiences or ask questions. I'll try to reply as much as I can, and you know, I just don't like to have no comments. I always like to have my comments open so people can share their experiences themselves. Well, once again, this is a video for installing a screen protector on a iPhone XS and which is the dual camera model. And until next time, thanks for watching, and bye for now.